name is Christine Eldredge-Brown. I am a family nurse practitioner student. Thank you for letting me examine you today. I see here that your name is Zoe Eldredge.
Yes.
And what name would you like me to call you?
Zoe's fine.
Zoe?
Mm-hmm.
Great. So I am planning to do an examination of your ears, nose, and mouth today. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes.
Okay. And if at any point during the examination you're uncomfortable, please tell me so. Okay. So I'm going to begin by just doing a general exterior exam of your ears. Okay. And I'm noting that your ears have a regular shape. I'm not noticing any masses, bumps, lesions, pits, or anything in front or behind your ears. Your mastoids feel normally shaped. Let me look at this side. And again, regularly shaped, no bumps, masses, lesions. You do have a little mole here.
Yes.
That we should examine later. And your mastoid feels normal, no pits or anything like that.
Okay. I didn't know they could have pits. That's good.
Okay. And how would you describe your hearing? Is your hearing good?
Very good.
Very good hearing.
Very good.
Okay. I'd like to examine the inside of your ear now, if you're comfortable with that.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Just going to pull back and up a little bit on your ear canal and set this in gently. And there is quite a bit of wax in here, but no foreign objects. I am able to kind of look past it by changing my angle here, and I can see the bony structures behind your tympanic membrane and your tympanic membrane. And you do have a good light reflex on that.
Okay. Yeah, it is really waxy in there. Sorry.
And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. A little less wax on this side, but still quite a bit. And your tympanic membrane is a nice pearly gray. I can see the bony structures behind it and a good light reflex. Do not see any foreign bodies, rashes, scaly areas, or anything of that sort.
No spiders.
Definitely no spiders. Okay. I would like to take a look at your nose right now. Okay, and I'm just going to look. Well, first of all, look back this way to see your ears do look symmetrical, and the height of the set of your ears is typical. And now I'm just looking at how straight your nose is and at the septum. Okay. And if you're okay, I would like to stick this little speculum in your nose and take a look at the septum and turbinates. And I'm going to be really gentle so I don't jab you. And what I'm noticing is that your septum looks straight, that your turbinates look healthy. I don't see any masses, lesions. Your mucous membranes are a nice dark pink color. I don't see any exudate, nothing draining.
No
foreign objects either from when you were a little kid and put Polly Pocket's shoes in your nose.
Yeah, they're not in there anymore.
Okay, and I'm not noticing any polyps on either side.
Okay.
And one more thing I'd like to do with your nose, I'm going to plug one side and I just want you to breathe through the other side. They seemed like they were about equal as far as how air moved through them.
Yeah.
Did you notice a difference?
Maybe a little bit tighter on the left, but I feel like my right's my predominant.
Okay. Okay. I'd like to do an examination of your mouth now, if that's okay.
I did just eat garlic, so.
Oh, I'm sorry. So did I. Okay. And so I am going to put my gloves on. Okay. And first of all, I'm just noticing that your lips look moist. There's no lesions at the corners, no cracks. They look healthy, and the edges on the borders of the lips look good. Okay, and if you don't mind opening, I'm going to just look on the inside of the mouth here and here. You have like a little linea white line, probably because you do you grate your teeth at night?
Uh-huh.
You do. Okay, so I can see a little bit of a line from that. And let me grab a piece of gauze. Okay, if I grab your tongue so I can look under that. And the color and the vasculature under here all look normal. I do not see any bumps, lumps, lesions. Is there anything unusual that you feel? Nope. In your mouth besides the gauze? Okay.
Yeah, everything feels normal to me.
Okay. And I'd like to examine your sinuses. Is it okay if I tap on your sinuses?
Yeah.
You're okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. And can you tell me if there's any tenderness in any of these areas? Or if there's a difference in tenderness?
The left side is a little more sensitive than the right.
On the upper or on your cheek? On both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably because my face is subluxed, all the bones, because I'm hypermobile.
Okay. This happens frequently to you?
Yeah.
Okay. And is there any concerns you have today that you would like me to check?
No, I don't really ever get, sinus infections or anything like that. So I feel pretty good.
Okay. Well, thank you for letting me examine you today. Everything looks pretty healthy. Well, if the sinuses on your left side start giving you problems, just contact me and I can give you some ideas of what to do with that. Well, thank you for letting me examine you today.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just press the button. Yeah. No.